everyone, this is Tammy, and I just want to say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what the June Kiwi Club looks like, and then I'm going to show you a layout that I am creating with this kit. So I wanted to show you how the kits arrive, first of all. So this was in a cardboard box when it came. It's all packaged, and when you open this up, and pull it out of the plastic packaging. Just wanted to share this with you. There's a great little corners on here to keep everything from getting bent. I don't know if it ever has happened to you, but I hate it when I order stuff and then it comes and it's got bent corners. That makes me super unhappy. So this June Kiwi Club kit is called Born to Be Awesome. Okay, and I'm pointing out the packaging because if you've seen one of my previous videos, you know I'm going to find a way to use that. So let's take a peek. The cards are always packaged in their own package and connected here. This month they included this Today is Awesome little cutout, some cork stars, looks like cork and maybe chipboard. And then we've got our templates in here. I always love to see what the new templates are each month, because that is just an invitation to get creative. Oh, look at this great bear. How cute. And then, I got two of those. I'll have to let the company know. So a little ranger badge. And then this is called Cliffhanger. So that'll be kind of cool. You can trace there and get those two pieces. You can definitely see that being used in a lot of different ways. Let's just take a quick peek at this paper. Nice. Oh, this is cool. I was just looking for some red plaid paper. It's a nice pattern. Got a diagonal, kind of a textured stripe there. Cool. Oh, this has got a lot of fun stuff on it with the bear and the guitar and the wolf. Okay. Nice textured, like a teal design. Plaid. I bet these are our backgrounds. So we got two of that double-sided, and then two of this one. So I am excited to play with this kit. So keep watching to see what I come up with. Anytime I get a new kit like this, I like to go through the cards and kind of decide which ones I would be more likely to use on a card versus a scrapbook layout. So I'm going to take a quick peek. Let's go. No excuses, play like a champion. Those would probably both be on scrapbooks. Anything that's a journal card would be a scrapbook. Killing it. Nice. Let the good times roll. That could really be either. Just enjoy the ride. Nice. These are cute. I feel like I need to be doing some motorsports with these. Adventure. Live more, worry less. I might do that one actually on a card. Today I'm excited about everything. Open mind, big dreams, wild heart. Adventures over things, stories over stuff. These are really cute. Papa Bear, that's definitely would be a layout for me. Be wild, be free, be brave. Cute. I'm in the business of being awesome. All right, so there's really just a couple that I would set aside as being ones I'm more likely to use on a card. And then I've got several choices for upcoming scrapbook layouts. For today's layout, what I've decided I'm going to use are two just kind of cream colored background sheets of cardstock. I just pulled that out of my own collection. And then from the June kit, I'm going to use these 4 papers and these 2 sentiment cards. I'm going to use the new a la carte cliffhanger templates that came in the June kit, the a la carte ranger, the a la carte bear, and then these stars. And then I'm adding in this Adventure 5 template, Tiny Accents number 6, and Tiny Explore number 5. So this is the layout that I created today to show you how to use the June 2020 Kiwi Club Kit if you're looking for an idea. So I actually pulled this basic idea out of the Ideas to Inspire that's provided by the Kiwi Lane founders each month. So this particular Ideas to Inspire is 15 pages long. It has sketches, it has completed layouts, lots of things to look at to kind of help get the wheels turning and get you creating. So for this particular layout, I did change some things differently than what they had in the book, because I have 7 full-size 4x6 photos that I wanted to make sure that I fit in this layout. So I've got 3 4x6s that are horizontal here, and then I've got the 4 4x6s that are vertical here, or portrait style. So I used the a la carte cliffhanger, and I had it tucked pretty far under. So when I cut this, you'll see that I didn't use the entire thing. I don't want to waste this much paper tucked underneath my photos, so I just kind of pay attention to that. That's one of the good things about designing ahead of time, is you know exactly how much you need. Okay. So I used that paper here. And of course, when I cut it, this was the other side. Okay, that paper is going to go here. And I'm going to go ahead and throw my photos in so that you can see why I made the color choices and things that I did. So let me swap these out real quick. I really love the different colors in this background paper. It's got some really fun tones that I was able to pull in to match these pictures and to help me decide what other colors I wanted to pull into this layout. Okay. So we were on the pirate ship at Disneyland when I took these photos, where you go around that Rivers of America area. Really neat. I've been to Disneyland over and over and over again. I don't think I'd ever done that until this last trip that we took. Okay, so the other thing that I did is I decided that I wanted a little accent piece along both of these edges. So I was able to trace that from this cliffhanger piece. I just traced along this edge, and then I scooted it back and traced again. Again, I don't want to waste a bunch of paper that's going to be tucked under, so just keep that in mind when you're creating your accents, that you can really just shift that. So I created this one here, and then this one here. All right. Then I created a couple of strips. Anytime I've got a lot of photos like this, I kind of want to seal the edges and make sure that it doesn't look messy. So I'm going to use one strip to seal there. I think that these edges are going to be fine because they're right on the edge of the paper. Okay. And then I created a strip to go there. And these are just a 1/4 of an inch. These two are pretty skinny. This one was a 1x12. Okay. For the gears in all of these different places, the paper that I showed you that I was going to use was this. And that's what, when I said I was making my choice for my palette, I ended up deciding to use the back side. It's a plaid. At first I thought it was going to be too busy, but I really love how it pulled all the colors together. So I've got the Adventure 5 there. Explore 5T over here. And this is Tiny Accents 6T. I'll probably just tuck this one under the edge. Okay, something like that. Easier said than done, obviously, as I'm shifting everything all over the place. There we go. The bear and this ranger tag, I actually ended up cutting out of a couple of the sentiment cards. So this one says open mind, big dreams, wild heart. And if you look, there's a little groove around here. So I traced the inside groove to make the inside of this ranger tag, and then I traced and cut on a different color the outside. So this is actually popped up on some foam tape, and then I went around the whole thing with a little jelly roll pen just to give it a little accent. I also did that accent around all of the gears. So I'm not sure if you can see them. They're a little bit shiny. I'll try to get some good pictures of that when I'm done. This one I did the Papa Bear. I thought that was perfect on the bear. And there's Papa Bear right there. So I wanted this to be kind of over by him. Okay, so that is the basic layout. I did pull a few of these stars out that were part of the corkboard stars that were provided with this kit. And I just thought that they would be a fun accent to include, and I'll play with those a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this off camera, get it all taped together, and I'll make sure that there's some pictures included in the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me create this layout today. If you would like to see more videos, please make sure to like and subscribe so that I know that you are interested. I also would love to have comments. Let me know what you liked about the layout. If you have questions or even suggestions, I am happy to take input. I hope that you guys are having a super day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.